Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 14th, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see here, I got plenty of things on my chart already, but bear with me for a moment so I can explain what are we doing here on the very special place on the chart, which is just below the level of 40,000 euro for one Bitcoin. So recent high was made at the level of 41,604 euro. Okay, and then we got this movement to the downside. How big was the correction? The correction was apparently in percentage, roughly I guess around 10%. There you go, 9.83, which is fine. So we got pretty substantial correction, to be honest, and it's not a pullback anymore, it's a correction. Okay, we went towards the 20 periods moving average. We got this nice little channel that seems to be working pretty well these days, and now the market is trying to bounce from the lows of the level of 37,515, which is fine. Now we got the nice movement to the upside. Let me just zoom in to see it better. We got a nice bounce to the upside, and now we are testing the intraday technical resistance, 40,030 euro. So why this movement to the downside happened? Most likely the reason was that after the move out or a breakout from the triangle pattern, right, this breakout to the upside, the last wave to the upside was made on a lower momentum than the previous ones, especially this one that lead to the triangle. So market made a new swing high and yearly high, to be honest, but momentum didn't do it. So despite the fact that the momentum was high, it wasn't high enough to surpass the previous one in order to continue the uptrend, which is why we got the pullback that later becomes the correction. Now, there is still a chance for the bulls to continue the movement to the upside. They just need to break above intraday technical resistance, 40,030 euro, and then of course test the 41,604 euro swing high, yearly high, and then surpass it. If they do, then the next target is located at 43,932, and this is the swing high back from 2021, as far as I know. And this movement to the upside is possible as long as the level of 35,639 is not violated. We of course can see some sort of the downside movement in order to expand the correction to the downside to a proper way. So we, for example, have only the first wave of the correction, wave A. Now we are doing the wave B, and maybe, just maybe, if we break below 35,515 again, then we can hit the 35,718 as a target for the wave C. If this correction is done, then of course the market is ready for another movement to the upside, as this will be the biggest corrective cycle in the whole uptrend, leading to the yearly high, and then the market will be ready for another high, another swing high, maybe next year, maybe this year. We will see. It's always hard to tell when this will exactly happen. So let's just leave our scenario like this. The outlook is still bullish as long as we trade above the 35,639 level. Definitely the line in sight, the last resort for the bulls is 32,458. If we break below this level, then the long-term high, for example, located at 41,604, is confirmed, and the market is back in the down trend, targeting way lower levels. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.